This doorknob did not have any screws or anything else holding it in place, so you could just pull it out. Pressing in the latch allows you to remove the piece actually inside. Pushing the latch to insert a new piece and line up the screw holes with the holes on the other side in the other doorknob. And place in the two large screws. Using the two small screws, line them up with the front of the latch and drill into the door. If needed, you can undo the screws, aligning the piece into the door frame to place a new one in. After replacing everything, check the door to see if it actually closes.